While looking to get the British Airways American Express card in the UK, well, here's a simple step-by-step guide to applying. First up, check you're eligible. You must be 18 plus, a UK resident, and have a good credit history. Before you start, gather your income details, address history that will make the process much smoother. Next, head to the official American Express UK website and find the British Airways Amex card page. Take a moment to reveal the perks like welcome BA Avios bonus, Avios on everyday spending and travel benefits. When you're ready, click apply now. You'll be asked to enter your personal details, name, address, date of birth, as well as employment and annual income information. American Express will run a soft credit check first, so your credit score won't be affected. If the soft check is successful, you will complete the full application and often get an instant decision. If yours is approved, your card will arrive by post in about 5 to 7 working days. Once it arrives, activate it online or via the Amex app. You'll then be able to start earning Avios or on British Airways flights and other purchases, and enjoy companion vouchers if applicable. And that's it. It's quick, easy, and ready for takeoff. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe for more help the guides, and let me know in the comments which card you would like next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.